Looking for the earliest burst of pink in your yard? The Redbud tree is spring's showstopper, low maintenance, pollinator friendly, and stunning in every season. Welcome to the Nursery YouTube channel, your go-to for native trees, fast shipping, and expert planting tips. Today's spotlight, early spring blooms, why you need a Redbud tree. This beauty covers itself in candy pink flowers before the leaves even show up. Then, heart-shaped leaves take over, giving you shade all summer long. And in fall, they turn golden for one last show. Plant redbuds in full sun to partial shade, in well-drained soil. Give them space. They can spread 20 to 30 feet wide. Water deeply the first year, then they're low maintenance for decades. They're also pollinator magnets. Your local bees and butterflies will thank you. A redbud isn't just a tree. It's your own spring fireworks show, year after year. Plant one this season. Order today from Nursery. Bring home the beauty of early spring with a redbud tree. Vibrant blooms, heart-shaped leaves, and decades of color. Order your redbud from Nursery today and make your yard the envy of the season. For your redbud tree and other native plants, click the order link in the description below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Nursery YouTube channel. See you in our next video for more ways to make your landscape thrive.